So I just got kicked out of the app, so don't worry about that. But this is, I guess, part 2. So, my technique is weird, but yeah, who cares? Oh my god! Okay, now what? I guess we have to use a green one. Oh, I actually have a very bright green. Right here. I don't want to use a green one, but that's all I got. Well, I have other colors now, but I guess I can, like, do a second layer of blush. That hardly shows up on my cheek. Wow. Ugh, disgusting. That's my first time using the green one. Okay. You can kind of tell there's green on me. Got you guys for that. So yeah, I guess I did that. I'm just gonna count these as like my eyeshadow for both eyes. Orange. Okay. Actually, I have an orange one. Beep. I'm just gonna put it like under the eye. Look. That actually is so pretty. Oh my god, I love that. I'll show you, like, I'll take photos with the light at an angle. Like, does this work? Ow. It looks so much better in real life than on the camera, but it's so fun. Oh my god. I'll do that. Like, I'm not leaving. I'll just step away for a second. Oops, now you see my ugly chair. I just need 2 wipes. I'm not wiped to like block my nose up, so I can freaking finish my makeup. Oh, I forgot how comfy my chair was. Oh my god. It's mainly the butt part that hurts it. Yeah. A little. I know it looks weird and I sound weird now, but it's helping my nose. It made my nose flat. You can see it better on camera than you can in real life. There you go. Well, at least I'm not snotty anymore. That's better. Oh no, I rubbed away my blush. Oh. Ah! I gotta add more. Okay. There you go. So, orange is done. What am I doing? Why did I put that in there? Ooh, actually this is a really pretty color. It's not like I'm gonna be able to drink it after, but oh my god, I could use this as makeup. So it's like a slays. It's sticky. Ooh. have orange in my hands now. Put some sugar and I have to eat it. Okay, yellow. Yellow. I don't have anything in yellow except gold, which I don't think should count, so we're gonna skip this. But I'm still gonna eat it. I have a sour strap. Okay. You didn't see that. So I guess this counts as like brown, since rainbow counts as brown, so I guess I'm using brown lipstick. I'm okay with that. No! No, my lipstick! Ah! I gotta reshape that somehow. Oh god. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's save every last bit of my lipstick. Oh god. Oh my god, I love this. It looks way better on camera. Actually, yeah, it does. Oh, yes. Sad RIP lipstick, but hello. Fashion. Definitely putting that down. Okay. Rainbow still counts, so I'm just doing a little bit of lip liner. This one's pink. Oh, that's nice. There's a pink one. I didn't even realize that. And then there's a brown one. There you go. Yeah. I'm just so sad about my lipstick. That was my first ever lipstick that I was allowed to use. Ones I snuggle stole from my mom. Yep, this is it. Yay! It's a makeup look-ish, is I guess. Yum. So good. Oh. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'm sorry about how there's 2 parts to it and how I was tearing up through most of it and the noises I made because of my snow. and when I blew my nose. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about all the weird parts, and have a delicious day. Or night, wherever you are.